Bored with your simple salad? Today we're going to look at 5 delicious alternatives. So let's get into it. The first on the list is Delicatessen Pasta Salad. Firstly, we grab a large pan, fill it with water and salt it and bring it to the boil. Add tortellini and cook according to the pack instructions. Next, we add a jar of mixed capsicums, including the oil, along with drained mushrooms and sun-dried tomatoes. And finally, add basil leaves and rocket. Season with black pepper, stir gently to combine and serve warm. The next salad is a classic, the Greek salad. In a small bowl, whisk some oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano and pepper together. In a large bowl, add 3 large tomatoes chopped, cored and diced, 1 small red onion, peeled and finely sliced, 2 Lebanese cucumbers, halved and diced, a 400-gram can, no added sugar, butter beans, drained and rinsed, 100 grams of Greek feta, cubed, 50 grams of Kalamata olives, pitted and halved, 1 200-gram mixed lettuce leaves. Mix ingredients gently so not to bruise the leaves. Lastly, you can dress this salad before serving, or you can serve the dressing on the side. It's up to you. My next selection is a prawn and chicken salad. Place garlic and olive oil in a small pan. Cook over a medium heat until the garlic is slightly brown. Remove from the heat and add coriander, pepper and chili. Stir until combined and pour into a large bowl. Add lime juice, sauce and sugar and mix and stir until combined and set aside. Next, preheat a barbecue char grill pan, lightly oil the chicken and cook over a medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes until each side cooked all the way through. Set aside for 5 minutes and then slice. Next, peel the raw prawns. Grab a small fry pan. Put in a little bit of oil. Place prawns into the pan and cook thoroughly. Place cooked chicken and prawns into a bowl and toss to coat with marmalade and let stand for a few minutes. Next, cook the rice noodles according to packet instructions. Place shallots, tomatoes in a bowl with the chicken and prawns. Add spinach, onion, noodles and gently toss until combined. Pile the salad into serving plates and garnish with fresh shallots and coriander leaves. Serve immediately. Next one on our list is Caesar Pasta Salad. Now you can use different types of pasta for this. You can use the spirals, you can use the pockets, whatever type of pasta suits you. But first thing we need to do is cook the pasta according to the packet instructions. Drain under cold water and set aside. Next, grab a large fry pan and heat some butter over a medium heat. Add bacon and cook, stirring occasionally for around 8 minutes or until crisp. Remove from the pan and set aside. Add bread to the pan and cook for another 8 minutes until golden and crisp, and also set aside. Next, grab a large salad bowl, put in some cut up cos lettuce, toss in the pasta and the bacon, add Parmesan cheese and stir until combined. On the top, add egg, bacon and Parmesan and season with pepper and scatter over chives and serve with a drizzle of dressing. Our next salad on the list is smoked salmon. Next on the list is smoked salmon and avocado. First step is to whisk some lemon juice, olive oil and dill and season to taste. Next, slice some cucumber into thin strips with a vegetable peeler and finally slice some red onion. Next, slice avocados in half, remove the stone, scoop the flesh out with a spoon and cut into halves. Grab a large salad bowl, add the spinach, avocado, cucumber and red onion into the bowl. Pour the dressing over and mix well. Slice up smoked salmon and mix also. And that's our top 5. In the description underneath this video you'll find timestamps for each one of the recipes in this video, and also you'll find each one of the ingredients for each of the salads previewed. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave a comment or a suggestion, and also check out the video that we have previewed right here. Until next time, bye for now.